Question 5. ABC is an isosceles triangle. Find the value of x. To solve this problem, we'll use the property of an isosceles triangle, which states that in an isosceles triangle, the lengths of two sides or legs are equal. Given that the lengths of the legs in this triangle are 2x squared minus 3x minus 4 and 3x squared minus 7x plus 8. We will set them equal to each other, so we'll have 2x squared minus 3x plus 4 is equal to 3x squared minus 7x plus 8. I take all these three terms to the other side, so we will have 0 is equal to 3x squared minus 7x plus 8. 2x squared, when it goes to the other side, the sign will be negative, so it will be negative 2x squared. Negative 3x will be positive 3x, and positive 4 will be negative 4. And then we simplify. 3x squared minus 2x squared will be x squared. Negative 7x plus 3x will be negative 4x. And 8 minus 4 will be 4. So x squared minus 4x plus 4 is equal to 0. We know from algebra, from this identity that states that a minus b squared is equal to a squared minus 2ab plus b squared. And if we apply this to x minus 2 squared, we will have x squared minus 4x plus 4. Exactly what we have in our equation. It means that we can rewrite this side of equation as x minus 2 squared is equal to 0. And if we take square root of both sides, we will have x minus 2 is equal to 0. And we take negative to the other side, it will be positive 2. So therefore x is 2.